Welcome to the social media management demonstration. For this, I'm sticking with the Intuitive brand like we covered in the copywriting section. I want to stick with the same company and the same brand through these demonstrations so you can see how a good company is doing it. As you can see on the Intuitive Facebook page, they're taking advantage of all the features that you can use, such as the shop feature. But more importantly, think of this as how, as a freelancer, you would be able to deliver similar services to another brand or another company. Social media management is all about scheduling consistent posts that get engagement with potential customers. So as you can see, this is 4 hours ago, so they're very active on Facebook. They're still using their copywriting. Copywriting applies to every medium and every skill set. The length of that copywriting will change, though, based on what platform you are on. So with email, you can go a lot more long form, whereas with a Facebook post, you don't want to lose their attention, so as you can see, they go a little bit shorter. This brand is very active. They're always sharing new items, and they always make sure to include copywriting with each post. This is exactly what a social media manager does, is that they are the ones that not only create, but they also schedule these posts out. What I'm showing you is how they're very consistent. Every post has a little bit of copywriting and a great image. So using the previous skills we went over, graphic design and copywriting, you can use both of those combined with the tools I'm about to show you to manage companies' social media accounts. And why is this a valuable skill, you might be asking yourself? The answer is because what it does is it helps you, number one, connect with people, and number two, it helps grow the company's exposure that you're working on. Because as these posts start getting shares, and as they start getting comments on them, and they start getting more likes and engagement, this helps the company and this helps the brand grow and get in front of more people's eyes. And because what they're doing is including the best practice of copywriting as well as a great graphic design image with every single post, that's helping them remain brand consistent and to grow their awareness. This is how you can help companies. What you can do is you can model after companies that are already doing well on social media and getting engagement, so you can offer those skills to clients on Upwork. Now what I want to show you is the different tools I suggest using to set up and to manage these posts. The first is a website called Buffer. It's buffer.com, and it allows you to publish and analyze results. I love using these kind of tools because you can schedule things out. It allows you to plan, collaborate, and publish thumb-stopping content that drives meaningful engagement and growth for your brand or for the brand you are working on. So what Buffer allows you to do for a monthly fee is see all of your posts in one place for all of the different social media platforms you manage. So you can plan and publish your content for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and LinkedIn, all from one simple dashboard. So as a profitable freelancer, of course you might start out with just managing one platform for a client, but your goal will be to get all of the platforms under management, because then you can continue to upsell and raise your fees, all while delivering more value. This is a snapshot of what the platform does in essence. It allows you to schedule different posts out for different times of the day, well into the future. It also allows you to plan and collaborate on different posts with a team. This is really cool when you want to look at a calendar, you want to tailor posts, and you want to schedule a post, and you want a teammate to collaborate with you. So you can set different access levels, and you can give your client either approval required or full posting access. It's all up to you, and it's all how you want to set it up. I love this tool because it gives me the flexibility to not only schedule posts out but to have clients be able to have a dashboard for where everything is taking place. And that is what the Buffer website looks like. And this is, once again, a paid monthly tool, but you do have a free trial here. And you don't need a credit card to sign up. So what I suggest doing is using this tool as well as the next tool I'm about to show you, which is Hootsuite. Hootsuite is the other social media managing tool I suggest, and they also have a free trial. So what I suggest doing is comparing the two. Use both and see which one you like more. Hootsuite works with Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Twitter. It's one of the biggest social media management platforms, and just like Buffer, it allows you to manage everything in one convenient dashboard. And they also have more messaging features built in where you can reply with a single click to messages, brand mentions, and comments across all social media networks through a single dashboard. That is very important because as you start to manage social media for clients, it's not just about posting the content. It's all about responding and engaging with people as they start to interact with the content you're posting. They also have an analytics portion of the tool that allows you to track performance in the growth of the audience you're working on over time. This is valuable so you can show your client how much success you're having and how much the social media posts are really having an impact on the brand and the company's growth. They also have different plans based on whether you're working as a single user or whether you want to get a whole team on the platform. So those are two tools I suggest using to become a profitable social media manager. And just like with all the other tools, you want to model after who is doing it successfully and then put yourself in the best position to succeed by using the tools that I suggest using. So I look forward to seeing all of your awesome social media success out there, and I will see you in the next demonstration.